Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious homemade chili sauce, inspired by Jamie Oliver. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 12 fresh red chilies, 2 onions, and 2 cloves of garlic. Remember, you can adjust the number of chilies for your preferred spice level. Finely chop these vegetables, and if you prefer a milder sauce, remove the chili seeds. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan, and gently sauté your chopped ingredients for around 10 minutes until they are beautifully soft. Now, let's build those incredible flavors. Stir in 2 teaspoons of chili powder with your softened vegetables. Then, chop up 6 ripe plum tomatoes and add them to the mixture. This is where the magic happens. Pour in 150 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and 250 milliliters of cloudy apple juice. These apple elements are key to Jamie Oliver's unique sauce. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the taste. Once all your ingredients are in the pan, bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly. After simmering, remove the pan from the heat and let the sauce cool down a bit. This is important before you carefully pour it into a blender. Blitz it until you achieve a wonderfully silky, smooth consistency. The final step is all about perfecting your sauce. Give it a taste and season generously with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. This is your chance to adjust the sweetness or heat to exactly how you like it. If you want more kick, add a little more chili powder. Once perfected, carefully pour your delicious homemade chili sauce into sterilized bottles or jars. Stored in the refrigerator, this amazing condiment will keep fresh for several weeks, ready to brighten any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.